Hi, it's Adam here from Towing Systems, and today I want to show you an electrically swiveling Towbar, original Audi upgrade that we've performed on this Audi Q7. So what changes in the car is this switch here. Normally you don't get this part, this section. Normally you have just this. So this new section comes in with buttons to erect and to fold the Towbar back into the position under the bumper, and this is how it looks when it's completed underneath. So you can see here how that folds in, so that it's just out of the way and completely flush, so you can't really see, standing from here where I am, you can't really see there's anything in there. So the operation of this system is as follows. So you open the boot, and then you get here and you just press the button here, and that erects the tow ball, or tow head, into the position. Here we go. And you know when it's done, it clicks. I don't know if you hear the click. It's in the position. It's got the power socket here to connect to electrics, and it's fully locked in there for you to ready to use. And this button then showing the light on, which means it's ready. When you want to fold it back in, you press this button here, and this is what happens. So it folds back into the position where it is just hidden and tucked away. There you go. And that's it. Here we go. That's all folded, done. This is done to the full factory specification, includes 3 years warranty. For more information, please contact us, info@satnavsystems.com. Thank you.